Hi, welcome to Totally Random. Okay, so I managed to salvage these two locks today, these two locks and the fittings from the doors. So I ended up succumbing to a rake pretty easily on the wonky bench. So don't leave the comment, use the vice dude, because I know I could. It's just in the other room. It's a mess. It's too much tension. I was using thumb tension before and it worked. I cannot see what I'm doing. I may as well be doing this in the fucking dark. Pardon my French. I learned to speak French a long time ago. There you go. Look at that. She's open. Let's gut it. Put my thumb there so I don't accidentally lock it back up. Or hope I'm in shot. I feel loctited in. Oh, I've got to keep it in shot. So used to just picking locks sitting down, so I don't want to thread that. They don't want to come out. Damn. Plug followers. Not even going to pause it. I'm just going to go grab the followers. My lock lab, so to speak. I've been having trouble because I want to finish my little mini mill lathe type thing I was working on. However, pins will be there. Okie dokie. In shot. I'll hit the other one next. Standard in 1, standard in 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, standard in 5. Geez, the bitting on this is crap. Standard in 6. So we've got a medium, sort of, then a short, then a short, then a deep cut. Sort of medium cut, then another deep cut. Standard. Standard. Get out of there, you. Standard. Oh, great. I can see it. And this is standard too. So that's 6. Fibres on the floor. Hence why it can be raked so easily. Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it was a 6 pin. So what have we got? Some steel springs. 1, 2, 3, 4, Maybe you guys saw them fly out. I didn't. There's another one. So yeah, I don't have a key for either of these locks. Nonetheless, they're open, so I won't drag it on any more than 5 minutes. I've lost the spring, kind of. No, I haven't. It's in the pinning tray. Nothing's lost. All is there. So that looks a lot like a Lockwood rim cylinder to me. It's just got no markings on it. However, the other one, which did also rake open quite easily, if you take a focus on that, what is it? MO250 stamped 12B Oz. So I'm not sure. They're both fitted into Lockwood housings. These two guys. Focus, please. So yeah, these two housings are for Lockwood. So everything did work. Everything retracted. It was just a old shop was gutted, and this is going in a skip. So now it's not in a skip. Something to play with. If you watched, thank you very much. Keep it legal. Happy pickings. Totally random. Cheers. I'm out.